Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to do scheduling in Excel only way. Start by listing tasks, start dates, durations, and priorities in one table. Then convert dates to Excel date format and name your range for easier formulas. And finally, apply conditional formatting so deadlines stand out. Build a simple Gantt chart by creating a stacked bar chart from your task table, where the first series represents the offset and is made transparent, and the second series shows the duration. This gives a clear timeline for each task and helps you spot overlaps and resource conflicts quickly and visually. Automate scheduling with formulas like Workday and Network Days to handle non-working days, and combine IF with MIN or MAX to enforce dependencies and avoid negative durations. This reduces manual adjustments and keeps the schedule consistent when tasks shift or when you update a single start date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.